The sun rises, it's a dawn of a new day. Born to us, this child of us, a hope and a new way. We are building our states to pursue a mission for patriotism and success. We now declare our vision from the mountains to the coast.
We stop on time.
From the islands to the islands. Cause in diversity we are unified. South Pacific and Melanesians. We are Papua New Guinea.
So in our mind and in our hearts, let us strive for excellence. Despite our loss and challenges, let's keep the hope alive. Empowered to lead, teach our future right. Instill patriotism for success. Let's hold on to our vision. From the mountains to the coast.
Stop one time.
And from the islands to the islands. Because in diversity we are unified. South Pacific Melanesians. We are Papua New Guinea.